In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use or how to fix your PS5 controller not connecting. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the basics. Make sure that your PS5 is turned on. Use an official cable. Try a different USB port. Remove any case or skin and press the PS button. If you've done all of that and it's still not working, the first thing you want to do is restart your PS5. Also check your battery level. So low battery can cause connection issues. Charge for at least 30 minutes and try again. If that doesn't work, simply go ahead and use a pin to poke or you press the reset button on the back of the controller, which is going to be this little small hole. Hold for 5 seconds and try again later. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, you might need to use a USB cable to connect to the controller and press the PS button. The light bar will blink and stay on when connected. If that doesn't work, simply go to the settings and accessories, Bluetooth accessories, and delete the controller and reconnect it. If none of it works, you might need to simply go ahead and update your device's firmware following these right here. I hope this video clarifies everything for